Look closely at these small white crystals. Today, salt may be seen ordinary, but for thousands of years, they help people preserve food, build trade routes, and shape the way the civilization cooked and lived. Long before refrigerators, salt was one of the most important tools in the kitchen. By drawing moisture from food, it helped preserve fish, meat, and vegetables. It allowed community to store part of a harvest and carry food across long distances. Salt came to us from two ancient sources: seawater, concentrated by sun and wind, and mineral deposits beneath the earth. Across the world, people developed their own harvesting traditions, tools, and distinctive salts. Because salt was necessary for life and preservation, it became an important trade commodity. Salt routes connect coasts, mines, towns, and markets. In ancient Italy, the Via Salaria, the salt road, carried this precious ingredient through the Roman world. His name still survives today. In Tuscany, salt also tells a special story. Traditional Pane Toscano is made without salt. Its mild flavor became the perfect partner for our savory pecorino, cured meats, soups, and richly seasonal dishes. Sometimes the absence of salt creates balance as beautiful as its presence. Create balance as beautiful as its presence. Not every salt behaved in the same way. Fine salt disperses quickly. Coarse salt is useful for boiling water, crusts, and some curing methods. Flaky salt gives texture when added at the finish. The size of crystal change how we measure, season, and taste. My role as a chef is not simply to add more salt. It is to use the right salt at the right moment. For braises, stews, and slower cooking, I season it earlier so flavor develops gradually. With regular fish and fast grilling steaks, I often finish after cooking for greater control and clean final taste. Salt can preserve, season, support fermentation, and reveal flavors already present in food. But it should always be measured, tasted, and used with intention. From Asian trade routes to modern kitchen, this humble crystal has changed our world. I am Chef David Giani. Visit the Tuscany Cuisine Academy to discover salt varieties, professional uses, and the recipe connected to the essential ingredients.